I just want to touch base on the fuel tank covers. There's two different models. This model here has the plastic cover, which is very common for not sealing and staying in. It's relied on just the glue itself that holds it in. What we've come up with is we've come up with a metal replacement style, okay, which will replace this plastic one. It'll come with some self-tapper screws, so it'll be screwed on. I'll show you how easy it is obviously to remove these. So pop the old cover off, unplug the fuel pump sender. Now you'll see around the tank here, there is some old sika, like this one here has got some of the old like sika flex glue on it. Ideally what you want to do is remove that. Get yourself a sealant, something similar to this one here. This is just like a sika flex fast curing automotive sealant. You'll be able to put a bead of sealant all the way around it. Then you're going to get your new cover. Now these are a very snug sort of fit, a little bit tricky to get the wiring loom through. Make sure you plug it in. Now we're going to set this in place. Now remember, I'm only showing you how to do this. I'm not putting the sealant on just yet. It will come with self-tapper screws, the kit that we do. If you decide to do your own kit or you want to screw your own in, make sure you don't use screws that are too long. If you put a screw in there that's too long, you've got the risk of putting it through a fuel hose or putting it through the top of your fuel tank. And that's the last thing we want when we're trying to make sure that our fuel tanks are sealed correctly. The two versions of this cover, as I've previously mentioned, okay, this one here is the later model one. This has got the bigger metal cover, so you can reuse the actual metal cover itself. So exactly the same principle. You're going to run the sealer along the edge. So what I've done is I've actually pre-drilled 6 holes in this one here. Stick it on. Safety number 1, sealed correctly. Again, any questions about this sort of stuff, please don't hesitate. Give me a call, send me a message. I'm here to help.